Ever found yourself standing in the kitchen, wondering what to cook next? Or maybe you've struggled with last-minute grocery runs because you forgot to plan your meals? If so, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Food Timetable for Homes, a simple yet powerful weekly planner diary designed to help you track and organize your meals effortlessly. With this planner, meal planning becomes a breeze, reducing stress and saving time every day. Stick around to find out how this little book can transform your kitchen routine. This planner isn't just any notebook, it's a structured meal planning tool with 84 pages designed to help you stay on top of your meals. With a full calendar from January to December, you can plan meals ahead for the entire year. Each page is organized by weekdays, making it easy to jot down your breakfast, lunch, and dinner plans in one place. Whether you're a busy parent, a working professional, or just someone who wants to be more organized, this planner is your new best friend in the kitchen. But wait, there's more. Meal planning isn't just about convenience, it's also about making healthier choices and reducing food waste. By mapping out your meals in advance, you can avoid unhealthy last-minute food decisions and buy only what you need. No more forgotten ingredients or excessive grocery shopping. The Food Timetable for Homes helps you stick to a balanced diet and save money, making it a must-have for any household. So, if you are ready to take the stress out of meal planning and bring more organization to your kitchen, this planner is the perfect choice. It's practical, easy to use, and helps you stay in control of your meals. Don't wait, grab yours today and start your journey to a well-organized home. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Happy meal planning! Planning meals has never been easier. Introducing the Food Timetable for Homes, a weekly planner diary designed to help you track and organize your breakfast, lunch, and dinner with ease. Whether you're managing a busy household or simply love staying organized, this notebook brings structure to your daily meals. With a dedicated space to note down each meal, it ensures that you never miss a plan and can enjoy the satisfaction of checking off your daily checklist. Let's explore what makes this planner a must-have for every home. This planner comes with 84 pages, providing ample space for meal planning throughout the year. Each page is thoughtfully designed with a weekly format, making it simple to map out meals from Monday to Sunday. Plus, it features a calendar from January to December, so you can align your meal plans with seasonal ingredients, special occasions, or family events. Whether you're preparing a meal for yourself, your family, or even meal prepping for the week, this planner keeps everything well structured and easy to follow. Not only does this planner help with meal organization, but it also promotes better eating habits. By pre-planning your meals, you can make healthier choices, avoid last-minute fast food runs, and stick to a balanced diet. Plus, meal planning reduces food waste by allowing you to buy only what you need. The Food Timetable for Homes is a perfect tool for individuals, families, and even caregivers who want to bring more order to their daily routines. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to organize your meals, this planner is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and helps you stay on top of your food schedule. Grab yours today and start enjoying the benefits of a well-planned kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Happy planning!